Hi students, let's continue with the chapter factorization, and we will try to do a few more sums today with a bit of variety. And the only thing common across the questions which I have been doing is that we try to find out something which is common, the common factor. So let's start with the question number one, and we see here two terms, a bracket b minus c, and another is d bracket c minus b. Is there something common? Yes, b minus c and c minus b. Actually, c minus b can also be written as minus b minus c, isn't it? I can write the c minus b as b minus c and minus sign outside the bracket. Now, if you open this, it becomes minus b plus c, which is actually c minus b, right? Which is c minus b. So now, in the next step, how I'm going to write is a b minus c. Now there is a minus, and here there is already one more minus. So this becomes plus, and I get D, which is this one, in the bracket B minus C. Try to understand what I have done. I have just written C minus B as B minus C with a minus sign out. Now this minus and this minus becomes plus. So I am left with D bracket B minus C. Now in the next step, I see that B minus C and B minus C are common. So I pull it out, and what remains inside is A plus D. And these are the two terms. This is the final factors of this algebraic expression. So this is the final answer, right? This is how we do it. Let's move to question number two. Now, the first step is to find out the common factor among all the terms. Three terms. Can you see anything common? I can't see anything common. So what I do is, at least in the next step, I'll open this bracket. So what I'm doing is AB square. Now I'm opening the bracket. This is minus BA and plus BC minus C. I've just opened the bracket, nothing else. Now, can I see anything common across? I still don't see. Can I take A common across? No, I don't see A in the third and the fourth term. Can I see B across all? No, there is no B in the fourth one. So what I do is I take two each. I take two each and try to find out common. So in the first and two, I see that there is common AB. So what is left inside is B minus 1. B minus 1, open this, AB square, first one, minus AB, this is the second one. Next, what I can see the common C, what is remaining inside, B here, and minus 1. Open this, plus CB, this one, minus C, this one. Now, I can immediately see that in these two terms, B minus 1 is common. And so what remains inside is AB plus C. And these are the two factors. And this is the final answer because this cannot be further simplified. Coming to the third question. Again, finding out the common. Is there anything common? I don't see. This is A square minus B square. This is B square minus C square. Can I take anything common? I don't see. So next step is just open the bracket. Let me open the bracket. This is A square C minus B square C plus B square A minus C square A. I've just opened the bracket, nothing else. Now, in the third step, I'll see if I can take something common. So at least I see A square C here and C square A here, right? So I'll bring them together. So A square C minus C square A, this I'll bring it together. What I'm left is B square A, this one, minus B square C. This is the only shuffling what you have to do, to find out the common factors. Now in both I can see AC common, but what is the highest I can pull out is AC. What is left inside is A. What is left here is minus C. Open this, A square C, which is this one, minus AC square, which is this one, plus. What is the common in the two? B square. What is left? A minus C. The moment I do this, I see that A minus C is common in both. So I'll pull it out, and what left inside is AC plus B square. And these are the two factors. They cannot be further solved. So this is the final answer. The only thing to learn is that first, if you're not able to find out the factors in the very first go, just open the bracket. Then try to find out which are the two terms out of the four which have common in between. And so AC, I pulled it out, I brought it together, and the remaining I left it as it is. And then I tried to solve it, and I could get those common things which I finally pulled it out to get the factors. Let's move to the last one, a cube minus a square plus a minus 1. So again, I don't see a common in all. There is no a in the last one. So what I'm going to do is I'll take 2 and 2 together. What I can pull out common in the 2 is a square. What is left inside is a minus 1. Right, open this, a cube, a square into a cube minus a square, plus what I'm left with is again a minus 1, which means plus 1, a minus 1. See, plus a minus 1. Now this is an easiest one. Just pull out a minus 1 in both. What is left inside is a square plus 1. It is that simple. Can this be solved further? No. So this is the final answer. So this is how we solve the questions where we don't see the common factors across the term. So we break it into parts and then try to find out the common factors. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.